I'm gonna do a quick video on how to unlock the tailgate here on your CRV. This is a Honda 2010. My niece having a problem with hers, so when we hit the unlock and we try to open it, it do not open. And I've already figured out what the problem is, but I'm gonna just show you how to open it in case that ever happened. What you want to do is go on in here, open your door, and you want to lower these seats. So you pull this up, pull this seat down, and we're gonna go ahead and pull this middle one down, cause I'm a big dude and climbing in here. And what you want to do is, once those are down, get you a screwdriver or knife, whatever you got handy. And you crawl in the back, take your screwdriver and put it in this little slot right here, twist it, and this should pop right out. Once it pops out, you have this little latch right here, and you want to turn it clockwise. So you push this clockwise, you probably heard it click, and you just push the door open, and that's it. So once you got that tailgate open, and I'm gonna show you something here. And I found out that this is bad.